Hi everyone. Alright, this one's for the 4th graders. Your book should look like this. And we are on lesson 3, which can be found on page 30. I'll give you guys a couple seconds to find your page. Alright, so in your book it says a drama is a story written to be performed by actors. Alright, so we're going to go through them and learn all about a drama. Now, you can hear the words play and drama, and they actually mean the same thing. So if you hear a drama or a play, same thing. When you go into acts and scenes, an act is really similar to a chapter in a book. And then a scene is very similar to a paragraph. So scenes make up the acts, as paragraphs make up a chapter. Now setting. Setting is not told as much as a book, because in books they really have to describe it to you because you have to imagine it. Now with dramas, you typically go to see them. So the scene is going to be put out and you're going to see the setting, but they might give you like a little description in the very beginning and it might be a sentence or two. Very brief. But it's similar to if you think about a movie. You go to the movies and they don't tell you a lot about the setting because you see it. They're acting in it. Now, characters. The characters are called that in a book, but in a drama, they are called a cast. So, and they'll list the characters before, or the cast, they'll list the cast before you read, and that will be called a cast of characters. Now, there's the dialogue. So the dialogue is said by the cast. And you will see their names are all going to be in all capitals, and then it's going to have whatever they say. And that's how the drama is made up. So you're reading a person's name, and then what they're saying, and then there might be another person's name, and then what they're saying. It will be in lines. And then you have stage directions, because you have to know where they're going, and you can kind of then imagine when you're reading it kind of where they're going to. Stage directions tell them where to stand, right? Because you don't want them to run into each other. And it's similar if you guys, I know some of you guys dance, so when you dance you have different spots that you're supposed to be on stage, and that's so you're all where you're supposed to be and then nobody's bumping into each other. So same thing. Alright, now we're on to theme. Theme is very similar to book theme, right? It's the message that the author wants you to get out from reading their work. Same deal. Now we go into figurative language, which we hit upon a little bit with poetry. Now, figurative language, we're studying in the drama idiom, which is a word or phrase that has a different meaning from the meaning of the individual words. Now they even have a nice little chart for you guys to look at right here. And in this chart, we'll look at the first one. It says, sometimes you try my patience. But when we say try my patience, we're really saying you're frustrating me. So we have phrases that mean something totally different. And that's what makes, when people are learning English, it makes it harder because they're taking it more literal instead of having the figurative language and thinking about the other meanings behind it. And then you can go through the list there. And then in our language spotlight this time, we have affixes. So you have an affix, which is your big title one, and then you're going to have your two branches that come off of it. So you're going to have your prefix over here and your suffix over here. Now the prefix is something that comes before the word, and an affix is something that's added after the word. So remember in your spelling words when we've been doing phonics, some of you have been working on your base words. and then something's been added to it before or after, same deal. So if you look at your first one here, and your spot right here, the first one is preheat. So your base word would be heat, and then that would be pre is your prefix, so it comes before the word. And you can go through those and figure those out. Fun stuff. And then the first drama you guys get to read is the first labor of Hercules. So you have your cast of characters right here, and notice that they're all in caps, and then it tells you who they are, what they are. And then you have Act 1, and then you have Act 2, Scene 1. And then you have your Act 2, Scene 2, and Act 3. And then you have your questions after. And then you have another drama after that. Very exciting, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Have fun with this. You can come up with all different voices for all the different characters, or you could even grab some friends, and you guys could do the act and the drama together. So have fun, enjoy yourself, and have a great day.